Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. Welcome to my YouTube channel Fit Lifestyle with Dr. Anil. Hope you all are following government guidelines. In my previous video about breathing exercise for COVID-19 era and for a healthy future, अगर आपने नहीं देखी तो please देखिए. It is very easy and beneficial. I got one comment that I should make a video on sleep disc exercise. But before making any video on exercise, I wanted to tell some points about the precautions for exercise. देखिए, बहुत सारी एक्सरसाइज है पर हम सारी एक्सरसाइज सारी कंडीशन में नहीं कर सकते और करनी भी नहीं चाहिए. सारी एक्सरसाइज सही है बट मे बी इट इज़ नॉट बेनिफिशियल और अदर इट इज़ हार्मफुल फॉर आवर कंडीशन. तो आज हम ऐसी एक्सरसाइज देखेंगे जो हम नहीं कर सकते और जो नहीं करनी चाहिए. बट अगेन दिस इज़ जस्ट अ फ्यू एक्सरसाइज, जस्ट अ फ्यू एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ एक्सरसाइज what we can't do. There are so many things that in which the exercise we can't do for the particular condition. तो let's see it. पहली बात कि हमें ऐसी एक्सरसाइज नहीं करनी चाहिए जिससे हमारा पेन अग्रीवेट हो. नाउ विल सी इट्स विथ सम एग्जाम्पल्स. इन प्रीवियस वीक मेरे घर में 3 लोग थे जिन्हें लो बैक पेन था. माई ब्रदर, माई नानी एंड माई डैड. I gave some exercise to my brother for according to his condition. I gave some exercise to my nanny according to her condition. And I told my dad to rest for few days because he had a history of fall 2 days ago from that day. So I told him to do rest. But जैसे उनके पेन सिम्टम्स कम हो गए तो उन्होंने देखा कि मैंने जो एक्सरसाइज मेरी नानी और मेरे भाई को दिखाई थी जो अलग अलग थी, उन्होंने वो सारी एक्सरसाइज की बिकॉज उन्हें लगा कि बैक पेन की एक्सरसाइज है तो आई कैन डू. तो उन्होंने सारी एक्सरसाइज की 2-3 दिन की एंड द पेन सिम्टम्स अग्रीवेटेड, जो डिक्रीज हो गए थे वो बढ़ गए. नाउ द क्वेश्चन अराइजेज दैट व्हाई द एक्सरसाइज वाज ऑफ लो बैक पेन, ही हैड अ लो बैक पेन, देन व्हाई द पेन सिम्टम्स अग्रीवेट. The reason is mechanism of injury. See, my brother had a low back pain because he is pursuing MBBS, so he has to study all the day. Plus, whenever he wants to any refreshment, he'll play a video game or he'll play a game on laptop. So he has such a sedentary lifestyle that it develops a stiff spine, and for that reason he had a back pain. My nanny had a back pain because he of her old age. But my dad, as I already mentioned, had a back pain because of the fall injury. So as we saw that mechanism of an injury was different, so the treatment is different. No any person can do any exercise which is contradictory to his condition. कल मेरी मम्मी को उनके कोविड पेशेंट ने पूछा कि मेरी लाइन ऑफ ट्रीटमेंट और मुझे जो अलग फैसिलिटीज़ मिली और दूसरे पेशेंट की लाइन ऑफ ट्रीटमेंट और फैसिलिटीज़ अलग क्यों थी. पर ऐसा नहीं था. द एज, जेंडर, सीवियरिटी, अटेंशन सीकिंग कंडीशन of the patient, of the 2 different patient was different. So obviously the line of treatment, the facilities, everything that 2 patient would get, that should be different. हम मेडिकेशन की एग्जांपल लेते हैं. एक पेशेंट का अस्थमा है और दूसरे पेशेंट का अस्थमा प्लस कार्डियक कंडीशन है. तो जो ट्रीटमेंट, जो ड्रग हम अस्थमा वाले पेशेंट को देंगे वही ड्रग अस्थमा प्लस कार्डियक कंडीशन वाले पेशेंट को नहीं देंगे अस्थमा वाली ड्रग, बिकॉज मे बी इट इज़ नॉट बेनिफिशियल और रादर इट विल provoke the other symptoms for cardiac as well as for the asthma patient. So the line of treatment would be different for 2 different patients, whether it is of same condition also. Never compare your condition of the person with the same condition of another person. Never do that. So we'll see example of that only. These are the 2 person having the same condition, that is low back pain. But the exercise, the line of treatment, the condition, the injury is everything different. So we'll see. This person is having low back pain because he is somewhat overweight. So that will compress his or give a stress on his posterior spine. પાછળ જે સ્પાઇન હોય એમાં થોડું કમ્પ્રેશન આવે છે, એના કારણે એમને બેક પેઇન થઈ છે. ઓવરવેટ છે એટલે કમ્પ્રેશન આવે છે. સો વિલ ગીવ એક્સરસાઇઝ અકોર્ડિંગલી. એન્ડ he also had a knee injury. તો આપણે એ બી ધ્યાન રાખવું પડશે કે knee injury છે એટલે જો ઓવરવેટ છે એટલે એરોબિક્સ એક્સરસાઇઝ કરશું, એમાં સ્ટેપ અપ એરોબિક્સ બી હોય છે. ઓવરવેટના કારણે અત્યારે જે એક્સરસાઇઝ કરતા હશે એ એમને થોડા દિવસ બંધ કરવી પડશે કારણ કે ની ઇન્જરી છે એટલે. અને બેક પેઇન છે તો આપણે એવી એક્સરસાઇઝ આપીશું જે બેક પેઇન રિલીવ થાય. સો ફોરવર્ડ બેન્ડિંગ કહેવાય, આગળની સાઈડ ઝૂકવાનું છે કારણ કે એમને પાછળની જે સ્પાઇન છે એમાં પાછળના પાર્ટમાં કમ્પ્રેશન છે ને આગળની સાઈડ ઝૂકશે. This is exercise for him, but he don't have to do exercise for an overweight condition because it will hamper his knee condition. He can do if he don't have a knee condition, but as he have a knee condition, he can't do that exercises. It is beneficial for the spine also, but he can't. Now, this person is having a low back pain because he had a jerk while driving a car ago one day. So the exercise would be different. तो इन्हें ऐसी एक्सरसाइज करनी चाहिए जो कि पीछे की तरफ झुकने की सारी एक्सरसाइज हो, लाइक दिस द बैकवर्ड बेंडिंग. तो इससे पेन रिलीव होगा. हमने देखा है कि इनको आगे की तरफ झुकने की एक्सरसाइज करनी चाहिए, इनको पीछे की तरफ झुकने की एक्सरसाइज करनी चाहिए. बिकॉज अगर वो दोनों एक दूसरे की एक्सरसाइज कर लेंगे देन द पेन सिम्टम्स विल अग्रीवेट एंड दे विल exaggerated their pain and the condition as well. So never compare this conditions with your condition, or they also can't compare their treatment with each other because it will ultimately decreases our muscle strength, increases our pain, and it will give a negative impact on our body. अगर आपको कोई भी कंडीशन है या फिर पेन है किसी भी डिजीज़ के लिए तो यू कैन ड्रॉप अ मैसेज इन अ कमेंट बॉक्स. आई श्योरली आंसर. सी ईच एंड एवरी पर्सन इज डिफरेंट. नेवर कंपेयर योर बॉडी हेल्थ कंडीशन विथ एनीवन. But there is one exercise we can always do, irrespective of age, gender, anything, any mechanism of injury, that is to happy and to laugh and make others happy. Our near and dear ones happy. Because if we are happy, our family is happy, and ultimately we will get a strength to fight against any condition, any sort of thing, anything. So बी हैप्पी, मेक अदर्स हैप्पी. एक और चीज़ भी है जिससे हम खुश रह सकते हैं, दैट इज़ डिलीशियस फूड. लॉकडाउन में एक अच्छी चीज़ हुई है दैट वी गेट एन हैबिट टू ईट अ हेल्दी फूड. बाय द वे माई मासी कुक्स वेरी हेल्दी एंड डिलीशियस फूड. अच्छा खाएंगे, हेल्दी खाएंगे तो खुश रहेंगे. नेवर कंपेयर योर बॉडी विथ एनी वन बिकॉज एवरी पर्सन हैज़ अ डिफरेंट बॉडी फंक्शनिंग. Hope you all got this video. Please like, share and subscribe if you like my content. Don't ever do anything which is concerning to your body on your own, whether it is internally or externally. Thank you. Any other person having a same condition.
Eat healthy and delicious food.
Stay happy and make others happy.